Dear Swissies, this is Winter Wonderland above Zurich. Let's come with me. But to get to Zurich, I need to take the train from Brienz via Lucerne and then finally to the main station of Zurich. It is like a coming home because I grew up in Zurich. Ooh, let's get into it in a hurry! Yeah, people are really busy. Yeah. I'm not used to this, but I just get into the flow and finally arrived at the Bahnhofstrasse. Dear Swissies, I arrived in Zurich. This is the main station, Zürich HB, and I am right now at the famous Bahnhofstrasse. Well, it is snowing a little bit, huh? Not that much, but I hope that at Üetliberg it is snowing much more. Yeah, and now we explore a little bit Zurich, huh?
Bremskollision in der Seefeldstraße. Die Strecke zwischen Oberhausen und Valentinbrunnen bis Zürich-Sandenzin der 2 und 4 in Leipzig.
This is now the Paradeplatz. When I was a teenager, I usually took the train number 7, yeah, this one, to go home to Wollishofen. Huh? I don't know if you know the game Monopoly. Yeah, maybe. Where you can buy places like the Paradeplatz. And Paradeplatz was always the most expensive place to buy. Yeah. I think it still is like this. Yeah, Paradeplatz is like, it's a place for the big banks, see? Credit Suisse, UBS. Yeah. Yeah, very expensive place. I went out one station earlier because there is a little market at the Bürkliplatz and we're gonna check it out. It's not a Christmas market, it's a market with vegetables and other stuff. Yeah, we will see. This is not the only market they have here at the Bürkliplatz. They sometimes have also a Flohmarkt. I don't know the word in English, where people sell old stuff or antique stuff, you know. So this is also here. But today is vegetable day, I think. And I remember when there was Flohmarkt here, when I was so young, I bought my first LP. And it was from Barclay James Harvest. Yeah, does anyone knows Barclay James Harvest? Yeah, it's a very old band. I don't think that it still exists, but they made really good music. Yeah, check it out. The church on the right with the 2 towers is the Großmünster. Then on the left we have a church with a green tower. This is the Fraumünster. And the church behind is the Chile, the church St. Peter und Paul. And I think St. Peter und Paul has the biggest bell in Zurich. I'm not sure 100%, but I think so. Yeah. the river here is called Limmat. Yeah, I've never been in, but yeah, I love cities with rivers. Yeah, it's always special. Of course, Zurich has their own Christmas market, and we're gonna check it out. So you can compare between the country Christmas market and the city Christmas market. So the Christmas market opens at 11. I don't know what time is it now. Maybe 10:30. But it must be close to 11 because they are still open or already open, and there are already people here. Huh? And it's snowing. today. We are right now in the old village of Zurich called Niederdörfli. And I tell you now a little story. Today it is totally safe. Yeah, as safe as a city can be. But in the 70s, my mom took me here for a walk to go shopping or something else. And at every corner there were drug addicted people. Yeah, it was a very, very bad place. And this is something I still remember when I was a child. These are memories for me, for the Niederdörfli. And then one day they wanted to clean the village from the drugs addicted people. And then they came to the Bellevue, you know, which became very, very famous because everyone in Europe was there to get his drugs. Yeah, that was the story. And of course, when I was a teenager, yeah, I was in every bar here. There was once a called Dickie, but I think it's not here anymore. Yeah, they changed the names and the owners and everything, so yeah, they are different today. But some bars still have the name they had in the 70s or 80s, like Splendid Bar. Yeah, there used to be a piano in there, and someone always played piano. And sometimes they spontaneously sang with the piano. Yeah, very cool. And when I was a puppy, yeah, with black clothes and everything, and looking good was the most important thing. I used to be here in my Raggenbügel. And it's still called Raggenbügel. Crazy. Yeah, I was sitting here in the corner. What you see over there, where the many people are, this is Lindenhof. It's a very nice place to stay and to play some schach. How you call schach? I don't know. Yeah, very nice up there. But our goal is still Üetliberg, gell? I'm totally happy because I planned this trip 3 weeks ago and I hoped it would snow, at least at Üetliberg, and it also snowed in Zurich. I'm happy. I'm so looking forward to show you Winter Wonderland with some Christmas lights, and it must be amazing. Really, really amazing. I used to sled here when I was a child, on this hill. Yeah. So this is my home for the next 2 nights. And it is snowing. I'm so happy. And this is the Üetliberg Tower. Yeah, we go up too, huh? And tomorrow we do this. I don't know how to do it. Es kann jetzt nicht so schwer sein, oder? Bringst du nicht einmal weg? Okay. They gave me the resident suite. Oh, I'm curious. Oh, I guess I'm here. Hey, that's not so bad. Schau mal. Ha! Bathtub für Frau Michel. A nice bed. And Oh, a crazy nice balcony. Ooh. I like. Huh? I like it very much. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Almost, yeah. The lights are coming. Slowly, slowly, but they are coming. It is time now for lekker breakfast, and you have everything here what you need. Healthy things, unhealthy things like Kipfeli or Lachs, salmon, other stuff, and fresh egg and Speck. Yeah, so you can choose whatever you want to eat. I show you another room, 49. So you see, something different again. Just a minute, I need some light. So, light. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, crazy Schenlober. Oh, that's cool. I feel like a princess. Huh? Schön du, hi, hi, hi. And this is for... I don't have any chill. Oh, no, this is the toilet. And this is for 2 other people. Cool. And I have again a view to Winter Wonderland. Oh, so nice. As you can see, it is really, really, really winterly. And I want to show you some nice games Swiss people do in winter, and one of the games is Eisstockschiessen, and I will try to do it, okay? But first we need to clean the Eisstockschießbahn. First of all, I need to throw this thing. I don't know the name, but ist egal, oder? Rühren wir es hier mal. Winning! I'm not starting it, sorry. Yeah. She needs to check me away. What's your trick show? I don't know exactly what to do, but I just try, gell? Hast du Achtung?
Very good.
Hey! Woo, woo, woo! Also, I check her away. Woohoo! Ja, schon nicht so bad. Gell, da muss man raushalten. Ja. Ist es eigentlich gar nicht so schlecht. So, schau, jetzt machen wir Geometrie. So von rechts anschneiden, zack, weißt du? Super. Ja, aber fast!
Also, du hast das schon mal gespielt, oder?
Nein, just to let you know, I won the first part. Woohoo! So, Fabienne cleaned now because it is snowing all the time. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, time out. Now your last turn.
Very good.
You can do it. Up, up, up again. Yay, 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 yay. Oh, it's time now.
You have to control.
That goed.
Jawel.
Ja. Fabian is the winner.
Woohoo!
2-1. So I promised you a camel, and here it is. And I have 2 of them. Huh? Ja. Andere haben Rentier, wir haben Kamel. Look at those feet. Huh? Comparing. Crazy, right? And now they walk up to Üetliberg. I guess they take about 1 hour. Huh? They arrived now at Uto Kulm. Yippee! So we are now at the candle producing show with Henry, and he's telling me what I have to do.
So first of all, you take the cap and you put it inside of the wax. You hold it in there for about 30 seconds, that it's pulling out the wax a little bit.
Then, 30 seconds.
Yeah.
We're too fast.
Yeah. And after this, you just pull it out and put it here inside the water to cool it down.
To make it cold.
Yeah, exactly. That's hardening out.
Okay.
Yeah. You pull it out again, and then you pull it down, dry it off, and hold it straight.
Yes.
After this, the 30 seconds, you just dip it inside of the wax really short, not too long again.
Short now?
Yeah, because it's melting down again.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just put it inside and outside.
Yeah.
Then maybe one more time.
One again.
Yeah. And then
And
go
in the
over
cold
here
water.
and in the cold water again. And this process, you just do it over and over again, and you become a
I
candle.
already have a candle. Almost.
Almost, yeah. So
Okay.
if you want, you can go ahead now.
Thank you. I'm trying by myself now. I can go in which hole ever, huh?
Yeah, whatever you want. Like this is yellow with
Only
green.
short?
Yeah, only short. Like one inside and outside again. Exactly. And then
again.
inside outside.
Tack.
Yeah.
And then shortly
cold
to
water.
the cold water. And again, huh?
And to dry it off a little bit.
Oh yeah, so.
Water drops.
Okay.
And now you can go inside again.
Okay. Thank you. Let's do it. Hey. Huh? Yeah, my trip is coming to an end. It was very nice. It was perfect. Yeah, I've ordered and they delivered. Yeah, it was perfect. Really. Snowfall and lights and everything. Yeah, I'm very happy and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.